Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever opened up a Google Sheets document and suddenly found your toolbar mysteriously missing, don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to get your toolbar back in Google Sheets, even if you're using it in 2025 with all the latest updates. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly what's going on and how to solve it, so you can get right back to working on your spreadsheets with all the tools you need. Let's get right into it. Now, first things first, if you notice your toolbar has disappeared, your screen probably looks a bit empty up top, just rows and columns with none of those helpful tools or formatting buttons. The most common reason for this is that you might be in full screen mode. When Google Sheets goes full screen, it hides most of the interface to give you more space to work. This can be helpful if you're just trying to focus on your data, but obviously it's not great if you need those toolbar options. So before you start panicking or think there's a bug, check if you're in full screen. To get out of full screen, here's what you can do. One easy way is to simply right-click on any cell in your sheet. That means use your mouse or trackpad and press the right button. When you do this, a menu will pop up. Look for the option that says Exit Full Screen. When you click that, your screen should snap back to normal and your toolbar should reappear up at the top just like magic. Don't worry if it takes a moment. Sometimes there's a tiny delay as it resets. Alternatively, if you like keyboard shortcuts, things get even easier. You can just press the Escape key on your keyboard. That's the S key, usually found in the very top left corner of your keyboard. Just give it a tap. This is super handy, especially if you're used to moving fast and don't want your hand to leave the keyboard. When you hit Escape, Sheets will recognize you want to exit full screen mode, and once again, your toolbar will return. Maybe you're still not seeing the toolbar after that. Don't worry, there's one more thing to check. Take a look at the very top right corner of your Google Sheets window. You might see a tiny little arrowhead. Sometimes it can be a faint gray or just hiding in plain sight. This little arrow acts like a toggle switch for your menus and toolbars. If you click it, the toolbar will either hide or reveal itself. I like to think of it like pulling down the sun visor in your car. Sometimes you just need that little bit of extra control over what you see. And that's really all there is to it. If you follow these steps, check for full screen, exit with a right click or the escape key, and use the menu arrow, you'll almost always get your toolbar back in no time. Remember, even if Google Sheets updates and tweaks things over the years, these fixes pretty much always apply. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or run into trouble, drop a comment below. I or someone from the community will be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, easy tutorials on Google tools and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.